We are having fun. We're here in McKinney for this local artist tour.
Yeah.
Thinking of maybe getting some fun Christmas ideas. We'll see. Mom's on her crutches. Where are your crutches, Mom?
No, I
She
didn't
took
want
a tumble
people to see
last
this.
week.
I need my crutches, Mariana.
Be proud of your crutches. But we're out and about, so that's what matters.
Yeah, so we're going to see what the local artists have in this area and see, maybe we'll find some of them using sustainable or items or reusing, like these earrings that are made from paper, used paper or cartons and whatnot. So let's see what we find.
But support local. We love local stuff like this. So beautiful day in McKinney. My mom matches the trees.
I do.
Look at that. Wait, where is it?
I think it's a flame leaf sumac. It might be. If it's not, it sure is pretty.
We're here with Darlene in our McKinney Art Tour for today. And Darlene, tell us about your art. We love hearing what inspires you, why you love what you do, and what you do.
Yes, well, I am very fortunate to be a part of Jump Into Art Studios, which is where we are right now, with Magda Dia, who is the founder of Jump Into Art. And she invited me to come along and play. And so I have a studio here upstairs where I do my art, but more importantly, I do my energy work. And for me, the art is all about healing. And so, for instance, this piece has been created today just by all the wonderful souls that have walked through the door, and it's very colorful because it's been a big variety of different people. So it just kind of shows up for me to be able to share, and each piece has the energy in it that is meant to heal the particular person that it's meant to go home with.
That's amazing.
So yeah,
and
I love it.
What materials do you typically work with?
Well, I work with a lot of different materials, but right now this piece is wood, and then I use alcohol ink on it. And then I always infuse the work with energy as well as crystals. And then I will go back and add some metal sometimes.
And how do you get the inspiration? Like you said, this one is created because of all the awesome people that have walked in. It's just, these are the colors that are just coming to you?
It is a channeled piece. All of my work is channeled. I'm not a trained artist. I've never taken an art class, but it just comes through. And so when we open up to our highest self, we get a lot of good gifts that come through.
That's it. I love it.
So thanks for asking. Thanks for visiting us today.
Tell people how they can find you.
Yes, my website is Darlene, Darlene Owen, no S on the end of Owen, DarleneOwen.com.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Darlene.
Thank you. Oh, it's lovely to meet you.
Oh my gosh, we're here in McKinney and we're here with Carrie. And look at this beautiful artwork she does with leaves. It is just so exciting. Carrie, tell us about how this inspires you and what you do.
Well, my garden and nature inspire me. And I started out just liking to find plants that I really like. And the bigger the leaves, the more exciting they are to me. And this is actually a Hoya Santa leaf, and it's from Central and South America. Actually, it's from my garden, but that's where it's grown. They call it the root beer plant. And they actually they cook in it instead of using a fig leaf or a grape leaf, and it imparts a sweetness in because it's also called the root beer plant.
That's awesome.
And they're beautiful, lush plants. I want to have a root beer plant in my yard someday.
Come get them. This is a catawba. This has not been fired yet, or it has only been disc fired yet, so there's no color in it. But what I like to do,
look at that. Look
that's
what Carrie
nature
does.
at its finest. Yeah. I can't take all the credit.
Well, and you're bringing your lovely artistic flair to nature.
I try.
I love it.
Oh, thank you.
How can people find you, Carrie?
They can come to McKinney, and I'm under Three Dog Studio, and you'll find that in the newsletters and things that go out. But I'm also at the Last Gallery and at Mila Delphin's Gallery, and I also work out of the Cove and the McKinney Art Studio.
Awesome.
So,
wow, lots of ways to find Carrie.
Thanks, Carrie.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
We're here at the McKinney Art and Studio Tour.
And I don't know what last week.
And gosh, this is so exciting. So Lori, tell us about what you do and how did you start making artwork out of driftwood? This is just fabulous.
Oh, thank you. I have been collecting driftwood for a while for myself, just because I love it, and I got to a point where I had too much for my own house, and so I just started selling it and putting it together with air plants and different decorations for holidays, like the pumpkins or Christmas ornaments, or filling it with flowers and plants. And anyway, I love it, and I have a hard time getting rid of them sometimes because I love them so much.
They're gorgeous.
Show us one of your blanket or towel holders.
This is a blanket holder. There's also one in the front room, but this one looks like a little. It's like a little twisted vine to hang a blanket or a towel on. Also, I've seen them hanging like a wreath or stockings from that I think is super cool.
Yes.
And
Everything is gorgeous.
And how can people find you, Lori?
My company is called Lolo Goods.
Okay.
And I'm in not Frisco, I'm in Plano, near Frisco.
Nice.
And I'm on Instagram under Lolo Goods. And I work out of this studio here in McKinney, but I also work at my home studio. So.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Well, thank you. We love what you do.
Thank you so much.
We're leading with a bunch of driftwood, I have a feeling.
Look what I just got. I got a towel holder for my outdoor shower. Is this so cool or what? From driftwood. I mean, and then I'm going to use this for a centerpiece for and put tillandsias or maybe some little pumpkins, or maybe I can even put some Christmas ornaments in it. Won't that be a fabulous centerpiece? But it also has a hook on it where I could hang tillandsias or air plants in this. I could not be happier.
She's psyched, y'all.
I am. I love this kind of stuff.
Hold on. Oh, I'm filming even.
Oh, hi.
She's learning with the videos.
Is this live?
Yes, but we edit a lot.
We
Yeah, we edit.
Good. I did a Facebook Live with Magda earlier.
We like putting some fun stuff in it too.